Hey guys, Random Andrew here. We found us a car show. That's right, we are here at a church event. I'm gonna insert the church name right here because I'm drawing a blank right now. You guys know with the lack of racing going on at St. Thomas Raceway Park right now at these current times, look at the date of the video. So with the lack of car content, we have to hunt us down these car shows. So there is some copyright music playing in the background, yes. So I'm going to probably do what I usually do. Walk around, take some shots, and then later on go home and edit to some music. But I think you guys might appreciate this. We're lacking car content. So away we go. Let's go have a look. Well, here at the car show, I happened to run into this guy, Mayhem. You guys remember him with the gear jammers out at St. Thomas Raceway Park. Got a few of your passes.
We got the hoodies.
Oh, the hoodies. Look at that.
And then you could...
Gear jammer merch, folks. You've seen it here. The boss. There you go. Right on. And I am being given an honorary Gear Jammer shirt. So you guys will see me rocking the merch here on my channel.
For you?
Right on. Thank you very much. Awesome. I shall wear it proudly.
Awesome.
Big thumbs up.
We gotta get Chewy his free t-shirt too.
Ah. Yeah, so you heard that, Chew. You gotta come meet up with this guy yourself. I wanted to make it over to the shop.
Yeah, I'm gonna be there in about 2 hours. Come over for a beer.
Let Chewy know.
I'm out there till it gets day again. Drinking and working.
Hey, do you got any more of these? Alright, so this next car I got to show you guys is one that you've seen on the channel before and always is a bit of a favorite. Very custom. So there's no real name to call it by, so just have a select. Okay, so there was one car in that whole lineup I figured we better come back and get a closer look at. Make sure you note a few things off the hop here. First off, notice the Knight Rider style light in the front. And when you walk up closer, look at all that red carbon fiber wrapping everything under here from your intake. He's got the, is that a fuse box cover probably, the valve covers, the fuel rail, the actual intake manifold.
Next ticket.
Carbon.
Last 4 numbers.
They're just finishing up a raffle right now.
2, 6.
Yes, there was raffles you guys missed out on by not making it here. And you look at here, the lower section of the windshield surround here, carbon, wiper blades are carbon, structure bars carbon. There's a lot of carbon. That's just under the hood. Under the hood. We'll move on to the rims. Would you have a look at those carbon wrapped rims? I mean it, take a closer look. Even the valve stem cover, oh no, that's just aluminum, but still. Alright, okay, so that shows you some level of detail on the outside of the car. Let's have a look inside.
Last 4 numbers.
Of course, the scissor doors.
3, 7, 2, 8. 3, 7, 2, 8.
Okay, so you notice he's got the surrounds around the gauge clusters. It's carbon. And that little pod gauge there. It's carbon accents on the wheel. This car's got a lot of extra diamond plate floorboards in it. This is one nice looking Camaro. And then we'll go one step further. Smoked out taillights, yes. SSRS. You see that there? Oh, we got a Zeppelin fan here. And again, notice the scissor doors. He's got these beams across the side, probably just for
And the last
car showing. And then I'm also noticing, guys, as I'm going around, it's got a Sargent, and this emblem right here. And the car itself is actually called Peacemaker. So there you go. And respect. Please don't touch the Camaro. Yeah, Sargent V12 apparently. I'm sure you could probably look them up on Instagram or whatnot. Oh, there's another nice piece under the hood here.
Thank you very much for coming out. It was a very successful. Oh, this here.
And we'll go have us one more quick look at another car. Give them an extra shout out. Again, thanks for the shirt, Mayhem. He's got this looking pretty good, you know.
Okay, I got one more item.
I'm trying to tell him, nice big turbo under there, but he says he wants to go with a nice Root supercharger. Go old school on it. I can see why.
Some people have started a list with their phone numbers.
We'll just wait for the announcements to end. Well, that's it. I showed up, I filmed what I could. Some amazing cars, some amazing patrons. Thanks for coming.
Had fun.
You know, you gotta have the Gear Jammers represent at a car show. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk to you again real soon. See you later. awesome little machine right there. Beautiful. I just love the orange. Absolutely beautiful. Nice and easy. That was so close. Nice old Triumph bike right there. Another one you guys will recognize from previous car shows. Gotta love it. Love the old Buicks. Note the size of the tires in the back of this little guy. It's huge.